Hello friends, let's start the exercise 1.2 of the video lecture series the complex numbers. So till now we have seen all the basic concepts which we require to find the roots of any complex number we have seen. Okay, now from this video onwards we will be looking at the exercise 1.2. So I'll be solving each and every question from this exercise. So be with me and let's crack this exercise 1.2 in very easy way. Okay, so let me write the first question. So it says that find the square root of the following complex numbers. Find the square root find the square roots of following complex numbers. Okay, so from this first question is, it is a minus 8 minus 6i. Okay, so I have to find out the root of this complex number. So you know that what is the step number 1. Okay, so we will try to solve these questions stepwise. Step number 1 is what? So find out the square root. मतलब क्या है square root में minus 8 minus 6i. This is equals to, we know that it is a plus bi. Okay, step number 2 is what? Take squares on both sides. So you will be having minus 8 minus 6i, it is equals to a plus ib whole square. Okay, so if I want to write, if I open this a plus ib whole square, what I will get? A square minus b square plus 2abi. Now let's compare the imaginary part and the real part. So step number 3 is what? Compare real and imaginary part. So what you will get? Comparing the real and imaginary part, what you will get? So I will get a square minus b square is equals to minus 8 and minus 6i is equals to 2ab. Okay, so 2abi. So this I gets cancelled. So what I can write is, so this 2 cancels this 6 by 3. So I will be getting minus 3 is equals to a into b. Okay, so two equations, two variables, we can easily find out the value of a and b. So from this let's take the value of b. Okay, so from this let's take the value of b becomes, which is minus 3 by a, and substitute this b in this equation. So what you will be getting? A square minus b is what? It is a minus 3 by a whole square, which is equals to minus of 8. So let's solve this. A square minus 3 square becomes 9 upon a square, which is equals to minus 8. Okay, so let's simplify this. So multiply on both sides by a square. So you will be getting a to the power 4 minus 9 equals to minus 8 a square. Let's take a square is equals to m. Let's substitute a square equals to m in this equation. So what you will get? So this becomes m square minus 9 is equals to minus 8m. So if I want to write in a standard form, I will be getting m square plus 8m minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the roots of these equations? I want the addition to be 8 and the multiplication to be minus 9. So I will be taking, so it is 1 and 9. So this will be like this, m square, okay, not m square, so I will be having m plus 9 and m minus 1, which is equals to 0. Okay, so I will take m is equals to 9 or m is equals to 1. Okay, sorry, m is equals to minus 9 and m is equals to 1, and you know that what value we have taken for m? This is nothing but the a square. Okay, so a square, so let's have that. So it becomes a square equals to 9 equals to minus 9, and here a square is equals to 1. Okay, and you know that in this a and b, so in this any complex number, this a and b are what? These are belongs to the real numbers. Okay, so always remember a and b are the real numbers. Okay, so definitely you cannot have this negative a square is equals to minus 9. This is totally wrong. So what could be the value of a square? So a square becomes plus or minus 1. Okay, so what I will say, a is equals to either 1 or a is equals to minus 1. So for this let's substitute the value of a in this. Ab equals to minus 3, ab is equals to minus 3, and let's check what will be the value of b then. Okay, so if I have AB is equals to minus 3, so AB is equals to minus 3, so let's substitute the value of A here. So for A is equals to positive 1, my B becomes minus 3, and for A is equals to minus 1, my B becomes plus 3. Okay, so tell me what will be the roots of this equation then. So we have taken root of minus 8 minus 6i, so it is a root of minus 8 minus 6i, root of minus 8 minus 6i, this is equals to, so what you will write, so it is 1 minus 3i or minus 1 plus 3i. So this is what my answer is. Okay, 1 minus 3i or 1 plus minus 1 plus 3i, so both are the correct answers. So that's it. This is what my answer is in this question. So let me take a dabba and put it inside the dabba. Perfect. Okay, so I hope you have understood this question. Don't worry, we will be solving so many questions based on this. So, okay, I will try to write down the questions and the solutions on a single page so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so what is the next question is? The next question is 7 plus 24i. 7 plus 24i. Okay, so let's again go step by step. So what is my first step? So let me take blue color here. Step number 1 is what? Assign the square root. 7 plus 24i, it is equals to a plus ib. Okay, step number 2 is what? Squaring on both sides. You will be having 7 plus 24i, which is equals to a plus ib whole square, which gives me a square minus b square plus 2abi. This is equals to 7 plus 24i. Okay, let's compare the imaginary part and the real part, so that you will be having a square minus b square is equals to 7, and you will be having 24 is equals to 2ab. Perfect. So 24 equals to 2ab, so ab equals to what? Ab आ गया अपना 12. So let's take this equation, ab equals to 12. So from that b कितना आ गया? B is nothing but 12 by a. Let's substitute the b equals to 12 by a in this equation. So in this equation, so what I will be getting? So a square minus 12 by a whole square equals to 7. So this will be equals to a square, sorry, a square के बजाय I will directly write a square into a square becomes a to the power 4 minus 12 square becomes 144 equals to this 7 a square. Okay, perfect. So let me divide this page here and let's take this equation this side. So what I will get? A to the power 4 minus 144 equals to 7a square. Okay, now let's substitute. Let a square is equals to m. So I will be rewriting this equation. So m square minus 144. Okay, so minus 144 की बजाय I will take this 7a square this side. So minus 7m minus 144, which is equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the roots for this equation? So it is nothing but 16 and 9. Okay, so m minus 16 and m minus 9. So 16 9s are 144 and 16, so this should be positive. So 16 plus 9 becomes minus of 7, which is equals to 0. So m is equals to positive 16 or m is equals to, we will be having minus of 9, and you know that m we have substituted as a square. So a square becomes positive 16. So वहाँ से a की वैल्यू आ गई plus or minus 4, and this side a square is equals to minus 9, which is absolutely not allowed because a is a is the real part. That's why this a square equals to minus 9 is not allowed. Okay, now for value of a, which is plus 4 or minus 4, let's find out the value of b. Okay, so let's make use of this equation. We know that okay, so ab is equals to 12. Okay, ab equals to 12. So for a equals to positive 4, so 4 into b is equals to 12. So यहाँ से b की वैल्यू आ गई अपना 3, and for a is equals to minus of 4, so minus 4 into b is equals to 12. So b becomes minus 3. Okay, Perfect. So tell me what will be the answer for the given question then. So the square root of 7 plus 24i, 7 plus 24i, it is equals to, okay, so it is equals to 4 plus 3i, or it is minus 4 minus 3i. So this is what my answer for this question is. Okay, see, when you go the step by step, your question becomes very very simple. Perfect. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 3. It says the question number 3. So what is the complex number? 1 plus 4 root 3i. So 1 plus 4 root 3i. Okay, perfect. Again go step by step. 4 step में आंसर आएगा अपना. Step number 1, give the square root. So 1 plus 4 root 3i. Do not worry about this under the root of root. Okay, so it is nothing but you proceed as we proceed for the previous question. So step 2 is what? Take the squares on both sides. So you will be having, it is a plus b, a plus ib whole square. So it will be equals to a square minus b square plus 2ab I. So this is equals to 1 plus 4 root 3 I. So step number 3 is what? Real part and imaginary part separate kar do. So I will be having a square minus b square is equals to 1, and okay, and I will be having 2ab is equals to 4 root 3. So ab कितना आ गया? ab आ गया मेरा 2 root 3. Okay, so if ab is equals to 2 root 3, from that take the value of b, which becomes 2 root 3 upon a. Let's substitute the value of b in this equation. So I will be having a square minus 2 root 3 upon a whole square, it is equals to 1. So it will give me a square into a square becomes a to the power 4 minus 4 into 3 equals to 1 into a square. Okay, so let me take that equation this side. Okay, let me divide this page and let's take that equation this side. So it becomes a to the power 4 minus 12. Okay, so let me take that a square this side. So minus a square minus 12 equals to 0. Now put a square is equals to m. So you will be having m square minus m minus 12 equals to 0. So what will be the roots? M minus 4, m plus 3, it is equals to 0. Okay, so the roots are what? I want the addition to be minus 1 and the multiplication to be minus 12. So minus 4 plus 3 becomes the root. So m is equals to positive 4, or m is equals to becomes minus of 3. So this gives me a square is equals to plus 4 and a square equals to minus 3, which is definitely not allowed, because the reason is what? A belongs to R. So a is what? It is a plus or minus 2 from this equation. So once I get a is equals to plus or minus 2, let's find out the value of b with the help of this. Okay, perfect. So let's take that and let me write down here. So b, so for a is equals to positive 2, so b becomes what? B becomes 2 root 3 by 2, which gives me root 3. And for a is equals to minus 2, b becomes 2 root 3 upon minus 2, which is equals to minus of root 3. Okay, so combining these two, what is the answer to the question? It is a plus ib is the answer. So this becomes 2 plus root 3i, or it is a 2 minus root 3i. This is the answer for the question. Okay, so let me put this in a dabba. That's it. It's very very simple. Perfect. Now let's see the next question. So question number 4, what it says. देखो भाई, लिखो यहाँ पे question number 4. Let me write here. So fourth question is what? It is 3 plus 2 root 10i. 3 plus 2 root of 10 into I. Okay, so again step by step, what is, now please help me, what is the step 1? So step 1 is what? Give the under root. So 3 plus 2 root 10i, which is equals to a plus ib. Perfect. Step 2 is what? Squaring on both sides. So you will be having 3 plus 2 root 10 I, it is equals to a plus ib whole square, which gives me a square minus b square plus 2ab I. So separating the real part and the imaginary part, so what I will get? So step number 3, a square minus b square is equals to 3, and 2ab it is equals to 2 root 10. So यहाँ से दो दो कैंसिल हो गया. So I will be getting ab is equals to root of 10. So from that b कितना गया? It is root 10 upon a. So let's substitute b is equals to root 10 upon a in this equation. So I will be getting a square minus root 10 by a, it is equals to 3. ये square है. So taking square and multiplying by a square in on both sides. So I will be having a to the power 4 minus 10 equals to 3a square. Okay, let me write that a to the power 4 in this equation this side. So a to the power 4 minus 3a square minus 10 equals to 0. Put a to the power 2 is equals to m. So I will be having m square minus 3m minus 10 equals to 0. So I want the addition to be minus 3 and multiplication to be the minus 10. So the roots are m minus 5, m plus 2, it is equals to 0. So m is equals to 5 or m is equals to minus 2. So if I replace the value of m, so I will be getting a square is equals to 5 or a square is equals to minus 2, as it is negative, which is not allowed. The reason is what? A belongs to the capital R. So if a square is equals to 5, the value of a becomes what? It is the root of plus or minus 5. Okay, perfect. So for the different values of a, I will be having different values of b. Therefore for a is equals to positive root 5, b becomes what? It is root 10 by root 5, which becomes root of 2. ये आ गया मेरा root 2. Okay, and for a is equals to minus of root 5, b becomes, see here, I hope you know this, because the denominator and the square roots we can easily combine. Okay, that's why I have written here combined roots. Okay, so don't worry how you have written, sir, don't worry. Okay, so two values of a and b, so we will be having the two answers for a plus ib. Okay, so this is nothing but root 5 plus root 2 I, or I will be having root 5, okay, minus root 5 minus root 2 I. So these are the two answers for this given question. Perfect. Okay, now I request you take this question number 5 as a homework. So let me write that question here for you, and I am expecting the answers from you, and please write your answers in the comment box. Okay, so the question number 5 is what? It is 2 into 1 minus root 3 I. Okay, so write down your answer in the comment box. It's a homework question. Perfect. So with this we have finished the first section of the exercise 1.2. Now let's start the second section of this exercise, so which says that, okay, so the second section is what? Let me write. So solve the following quadratic equations. Solve the following quadratic equations. Okay, so the first question is, it is nothing but 8x square plus 2x plus 1, it is equals to 0. Okay, so this is what the given quadratic equation, and they are expecting the roots of this equation. So solving is nothing but finding the value of x, means for what value of x this equation is getting satisfied. And you know that if ax square plus bx plus c, it is equals to 0, if this is the quadratic equation, then what is the value of x? So this is nothing but minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is what the value of x is. Okay, so let's take that value and let's make use of this formula. So x equals to what? It is minus b. So what is b here? So this is a, this is b, and this is c. So minus b means what? It is a minus 2. Okay, let me have here. So x is equals to minus 2 plus or minus root of b square. What is b square is? it is nothing but 2 square. So 2 square becomes 4. Minus 4 into a is what? 8 into c is what? It is 1 upon 2 into a. So 2 into a becomes 2 into 8. Perfect. So let's open this. So minus 2 plus or minus root of, so what do you get? 4 minus 32. Okay. So divided by what you get? 8 into 2, that is just 16. This is equals to minus 2 plus or minus root of so 32 minus 4 becomes minus 28. So let me write clearly. So minus 28 upon 16. Okay, so this is what my value of x is. But under the root of negative sign means what? It is an imaginary number. So how you can express that? So it is nothing but minus 2 plus or minus, so it is a root of 28 into I. So I can simply replace that root of minus 1 by I whole divided by 16. If you want, you can further simplify this. So this is nothing but 28 matlab it is 7 into 4. So it is minus 2 plus or minus 2 root of 7 into I whole divided by 16 as it is. So if I take minus 2 common, sorry, plus 2 common, so I will be having minus 1 plus or minus root of 7 into I divided by 16. So ये 2 cancel करेगा 16 को 8 पे. So what is my final answer is minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into I whole divided by 8. That's it. This is my answer is. I hope you have understood this. Nothing, we have just made use of this standard formula which we have already studied in our lower classes. Okay, perfect. Okay, so using this concept only we have to solve the remaining questions. So let's see what is our next question is. So question number 2. So let me write here. Question number 2 says, अरे भाई आजा तू किधर हो, ला 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 ला. Okay, so the question number 2 says 2x square minus root 3x okay, कुछ भी दे दो अभी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so first step is what? Get the value of ABC. So first step is what? Get the value of ABC. Here a equals to 2, b equals to minus root 3 and अरे क्या है प्लस में, क्या है ये प्लस में 1 है. Okay, and c is equals to what? Plus 1. Next step is what? We know that, what you know, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is what the value of x is. So let's substitute here. So x is equals to minus plus root 3 minus plus or minus root of b square is what? It is a minus root 3 का square becomes 3 minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Okay, so 2 into a is nothing but again 2. This is equals to root 3 plus or minus root of, see here, 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is nothing but minus 5 upon, we have 2 into 2 is 4. Now tell me how you can write this root of minus 5, which is nothing but 3 plus or minus, so root 5 into root minus 1, so root of 5 as it is, root minus 1 can be written as I, which is nothing but root of 5I by 4. So that's it. This is my final answer is. Okay, so what is the value of x is? So 1 is what? If you take plus 1 plus a plus sign, that becomes the value of x. If you take then minus, that becomes another value of x. Okay, so this is my answer to this question. Perfect. बहुत simple है boss, है ना? It's very simple. So let's take the third question now. So third question says, so what is the quadratic equation now? So it's 3x square minus 7x, 3x square minus 7x plus 5, it is equals to 0. Okay, again let's take the value of ABC here. Here a equals to 3, b equals to minus 7 and c is equals to 5. We know that x is equals to what? It is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let's substitute the values. Minus minus plus 7 plus or minus root of b square minus 7 square becomes 49, minus 4 into a is what, 3, into c is what, it is 5. So divided by 2 into a is nothing but 3, which is equals to 7 plus or minus root of, okay, so this will be 49 minus charitrikam 12, 12 पंच 60, so it becomes 60 whole divided by 2 into 3, that becomes 6. So okay, so this can be written as 7 plus or minus root of, okay, now tell me 49 minus 60 becomes what, it is 50 minus 11, so whole divided by 6. Okay, so how you can write this? So root of 11 into root of minus 1, root of 11 into root of minus 1, so that is nothing but 7 plus or minus root of 11 as it is into I whole divided by 6. So this is what my final answer for this question. Perfect. So if I take plus sign, 7 plus root of 11 I by 6, that becomes first value of x, and if I take negative, that becomes the second value of x. Perfect. Okay, so with this again I will be giving you the fourth question for a homework question. So take this fourth question, which is nothing but x square minus 4x plus 13. You make use of the same concept, same approach, and you just try to solve this question, get the value of x here. So again for this question also you will be getting two values of x. Okay, perfect. So with this we have solved the second section of this exercise also again, and the next sections, that is the section number 3, 4, we will solve in the next video. Okay.